It's because I've learned how to let go. And you think you deserve
Magpapalagay daw siya sa akin ng bangs.
and I want you
Kesa naman pumunta sa parlor, ako na lang daw. Okay. So, gagawin ko muna, aasahin ko to. Bangs pala gusto mo.
I told.
Ay, tanawa.
So, yuko.
Nak, yuko daw. Hindi yuko Si baka hanggang dito ya.
I think of
Ay, ba't ganon?
Susukatin ko nga muna. Lalagyan ko siya ng bangs. Siya nag-request, tapos kulit.
Come on, honey.
Tingnan mo naman ang buhok ko. 7 piraso na lang.
You'll be spending some time with him. Not forever.
Ganun talaga, pag Thunderbird na... Then, wala namang maiwan.
I'm not gonna go.
Hindi ka ganonin yun, Han?
Hindi nga. Namimili nga ako kung saan ko sisimulan eh. Ang ipis kasi ng buhok mo eh.
Oo, gawin yun.
Ayan, alam ko na kung saan ko sisimulan. Sa mga gustong magpabangsa, sa akin na lang. Ako maglalagay ng bangs. Ayan, dito. Ayan. Kaya kinukuha ko yun eh. Ayan na.
hey, John.
Okay.
Huwag ka kasing
How
tumawa.
are you?
Bangs na bishir.
You know that I think of you as a son.
I did not know that, but thank you. I guess I feel like sometimes I think of you as a father. In a way. I'm very intimidating father.
I'm gonna need your help.
Ayaw naman tumalab tong gunting.
Out
Balik
in the
ka.
field?
You're gonna go out there and you're gonna find out whoever's painting these murals on Louis June's walls.
I checked out all the taggers in the city. I got nothing. The guy doesn't leave a signature.
Maybe he's not a tagger. Maybe this guy's a trained artist.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Yeah, that fits.
John, wear extra underpants.
Why?
Hindi.
Why?
Lang haba naman ako.
Ayan.
Why? What extra?
Lang haba.
That's the discipline.
Hala.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's part of being a detective to wear multiple pairs of underwear.
Ay,
That's nice.
Ano ba yan, Han?
Get yourself.
Okay.
Sabi ko nga sa hindi mo tungod. Ang rambot ng alimpuro, Han.
Oh, ang ganda. Oh, okay naman ah. Oh, di ba may bangs ka na?
Dapat dito lang, Han.
Oo nga pala.
Ayaw naman.
Di bagay naman ah.
Dito lang. Layo naman, oh.
Ano mo? Hahaba naman yan eh.
Who are you though?
Ah, man yan.